Okay, my instructions for 18.1 are on page 537. We are going to first journalize our transactions and then post our journal columns. So our first transaction is January 3rd. We paid cash for a paint mixer, $500. So my date, January 3rd. And my account title will be store equipment. Check number is 142, and then it will be a general debit of $500 and a cash credit. So remember, now that we are in our cash payments journal, for the most part, these will all be one-liners. And our next transaction, January 5th, paid cash for an office chair, $400. So our date is the 5th. Our account title will be office equipment. Check number is 145, and then it will be a debit of $400 and a cash credit of $400. Next transaction, February 26th. We paid property taxes on property with an assessed value of $80,000. The tax rate in the city where the property is located is 3% of the assessed value. So our date is February 26th. Our account title will be property tax expense. Our check number is 182. And then we have to actually calculate that property tax. So you would just take 80,000 times 3%. So then in our general journal, our general debit would be $2,400. And cash credit would be $2,400. Then our last transaction, July 2nd, we paid cash for a filing cabinet, $260. So our date is July 2nd. Our account title will be office equipment. Our check number is 216. And then our general debit is $260. Cash credit is $260. So now we have those all journalized. Now we will post them. So we'll go find store equipment first. And so my date is the 3rd. My post reference will be CP1. And then it is a debit of $500. And so since they're both debits, we're going to add, so our new balance would be $10,230. Come up here, put our post reference as 1215. Next we have office equipment. So office equipment, our date is the 5th. Post reference CP1. It's a debit of $400. And so we have a new debit balance of $15,880. Post reference is 1205. Next we have property tax expense. So our date is February 26th. Post reference is CP1. It's a debit of $2,400. And then it would be a debit balance of $2,400. Post reference of $61.45. And then our last one is office equipment. And so our date is July 2nd. Post reference is CP1. It's a debit of $260. And so our new debit balance is $16,140. Okay, so we have that done. You can go ahead and do the on your own and probably the 18.1 application as well.